What's good, YouTube, and welcome to Skate 3. You know, I've played this game maybe twice, and all I've done is just fuck around. So, we're actually gonna do. Oh, hey, turn me up! We're just gonna fuck around and hope I can have some fun. Hey. Get out of my way! Get the fuck out of the way! Bitch! Yeah, double kill. Get out your camera then. Bitch! 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 Yeah. Get out of here. Rah! 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 Ow! Ouch! Hey! That's some air. Air Jordan. Get out of my way. Watch me to grind this bridge. I guess not. I'm a bird! I'm a bird! I'm a bird! What am I grabbing? Let me be a bird down here. Oh shit, wait, let me sort of... Ow. Watch the jump. Oh! Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's... Yeah. Here we go, Bob. Picking up some speed. We're gonna cut inside. Oh yeah. Jump. Go. Bob's picking up some speed now. Get out of the way! Oh my god!
Yeah, it's power in the name. I suffer from the shame. I showered in the rain. I prayed in Jesus' name. And